What I've come to know is that you and I have some stains in the way that we view money. Quite often that's our upbringing. Money doesn't grow on trees. It's not easy, you know. You've got a smart-ass school teacher telling you'll never be nothing. You'll never amount to anything. And what these do, the culmination of this feedback and these thoughts, pre-program us to realize that money is difficult. It can be hard. It's never going to be ours, or we're always chasing for this resource. And what I've really learned in my time, now at 100 million bucks plus, is that you and I need to disconnect from those old ideals, those old beliefs. And we need to re-employ the idea, as we were children, everything is possible. What if everything turned to gold? As ridiculous as that may seem, how do I now deploy the idea of, if I put my mind to it, if I really sharpen my thoughts and work towards a plan, I can achieve that? And to me, that is absolutely the essence of More Than Money. When I first began, I used to think that $20 million was an enormous amount of money. If I could just have a net worth of 20 mil, I'd be set. And blasting past that, I realized today it comes down to how I think about the game. If I treat it as complex, as difficult, impossible, it will be just that. But sadly, so many of us have been walking around with this idea that my life, my eyes are stained, and all I see is difficulty, heartache, challenge, and just hard work. Versus, what do I need to do intelligently? How do I change the very thinking? And More Than Money is you and I removing those old thoughts, everything that's been holding us back, the baggage, the old ideas that's hard, and then re-employing something where we say to ourselves, what is my purpose? What matters now? And how do I set up a plan around that to win? That's More Than Money.